There you go. Today we got this garage door opener. We just gotta set it up and program it with the garage door system right here. You come right here to the button that set the code. You hold it for a few seconds until the light right here is flashing, and then you let it go, and then you gotta come right here, and then you gotta keep like clicking on this button right here a few times until you hear the garage door closing or opening. So right here, you click on it and it's closing. This is what we're looking for. Easy peasy. I gotta again.